right? So are we too dependent on our people? Dr. John, that video you showed this morning of the guy getting knocked out and then the other guy getting knocked out, it fits perfectly right here. So we often joke that we steal one another's videos. So full disclosure statement, that one's going here and I'm stealing it. Okay, because it's perfect for right here, because it's so true, right? Too often we see practices that are hyper-dependent on key individuals, and then something tragic happens, or that individual's husband gets transferred, or if we only have a few people that know how to do really important things, then that can become a capacity blockage, right? So we have opportunities that we're not able to maximize because we don't have enough systems. We become too dependent on our people. So when is the last time you completed a systems checkup? So here's one of the first things that you can do to evaluate this. Make a list of vital systems in your practice, what you have, what you don't have. Then maybe as a team decide what's working and what's not. Sometimes we may have a systematic process for doing something, but the last time we actually looked at that system, it could have been years ago, right? And sometimes as we naturally become more efficient, our systems should evolve and improve along with us. And sometimes that's a big challenge for people. Okay, so make a list of your vital systems. And I would suggest that you use the practice loop as the most important, practice success loop. Have the team rate those systems. As a team, would you vote red, yellow, or green on these vital systems? Okay, so there's our practice success loop. And some of the most important things, incoming calls, emails, text, chat. How are you contacting patients? Is it working? Do you have a script? Do you have systems? Are you depending on the unique skill sets of one or two key individuals in your practice to carry the day? If so, you really aren't tiger-proof, right? You're not immune from the threat that can come by having your entire system disrupted. So if you want to sustain the gains and sustain your growth, it's time for systems checkup.